So the next challenge we're going to do on the apichallenges.herokuapp.com is using the get secret note with no X-AUTH token header. So the system will not know who I am. So I won't get a forbidden request, which I get if I put in an X-AUTH token, which is invalid. Instead, I'll get a 401, which is an unauthorized response because the system won't know who I am. So let me just get rid of this header. So what I've got here is a request, which is a GET request to the secret note endpoint. I'm putting in the X challenger header so we can track the challenge, but I'm not going to send through this X-AUTH token header at all. So if I send that, we'll see that I'm unauthorized, 401 status. And in the timeline, if I look at the request, I can see that it did not put in the X-AUTH token header. So we met the conditions for the challenge. If I look at the GUI, that challenge should now be passed. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at eviltester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.